here is our scapula. First, we want to notice which side is posterior and anterior. This is our posterior or dorsal side, and we know this because of this spine that is found. It's a very prominent feature. And then this is our anterior or ventral side, and we know that because of the lack of the spine not found. So we have three borders that are found within the scapula, and that is, here's our medial border, and then our superior border, and then our lateral border. And so with knowing that, this is our medial border, and then this is the spine, which is found on the posterior side, that makes this the left scapula. So we are going to talk about what muscles attach to the medial border. On the anterior side, the serratus anterior attaches on this whole piece right here, on the anterior surface. On the posterior surface, we have the attachment of the levator scapula, which is right up here. And then we have the rhomboid minor, and then we have the rhomboid major, which extends fully down. Within the superior border, we have the suprascapular notch, which is right here. And we have two angles that are found within the scapula. We have the inferior angle right here, and then we have the superior angle. There are four fossas that can be found within the scapula. This right here is our supraspinous fossa, found above the spine. And then we have the infraspinous fossa, found beneath the spine. On the anterior side, we have the subscapular fossa. That's this whole area here. And then last but not least, we have the glenoid fossa, which this is on the lateral side, the lateral border. So the two tubercles that can be found are right by the glenoid fossa. We have the supraglenoid tubercle and the infraglenoid tubercle. And last but not least, we have some processes found on the scapula. We have the coracoid process, which people say that this looks like the crow's beak because it looks like a little crow. So that's the coracoid process. And then we have the spine of the scapula, which I've already been saying, which here is the base or the root of the spine. And then we have the superior and inferior lips or edges. And then last but not least, we have the acromion process. And here on the side is the angle, and then up here is the tip. And again, this is the posterior view, lateral, anterior, and then medial. This is our scapula.